Hello everyone, and welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into one of the best bike foot rests available on the market, the TOBWOLF mini bike rear pedals. Whether you're a casual rider or a seasoned cyclist, these pedals promise comfort, durability, and ease of use. Let's explore why they're gaining popularity among biking enthusiasts. The TOBWOLF mini bike rear pedals are designed with functionality and comfort in mind. Made from high-quality aluminum alloy, these pedals are not only lightweight but also incredibly strong and resistant to rust. This ensures longevity and reliability, even under tough riding conditions. One of the standout features is their anti-slip design, thanks to surface corrugated grooves that ensure a stable grip on your shoes while riding. The pedals also fold up neatly when not in use, preventing unnecessary scratches and ensuring safety for others around you. Installing these pedals is a breeze, with everything you need included in the package. They're suitable for folding mountain bikes and other foldable bicycles, making them versatile for various cycling needs. These pedals not only protect your feet but also provide a comfortable resting place, especially for passengers on rear seats. The design helps prevent feet from touching the wheels, enhancing safety and convenience during rides. To wrap it up, the TOBWOLF mini bike rear pedals are a fantastic choice for anyone looking to upgrade their cycling experience. With a blend of robust construction, ergonomic design, and easy installation, these pedals are indeed a must-have accessory for bike enthusiasts everywhere. If you're interested in enhancing your biking comfort and safety, check out the link in the description to get your own TOBWOLF mini bike rear pedals today. Don't forget to subscribe to Product Critique for more insightful reviews and product recommendations. Thanks for watching.